Yo. Again, your boy Coach Teekay on the first episode. How do I make money as a student? How do I make money? How do I make money? If I tell you the answer, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Every time you post something, or get a notification, or we're up to date. Come on, videos, all of them. I got you. Stay tuned.
2,000 years later.
Yo, beautiful people. Again, Coach Teekay on the first episode. How do I make money as a student? Because allowance it's not enough. I actually had that question when I came here, but I ignored it for the first time because I was getting allowances. I mean, come on, make your money. I'm joking. So it was a struggle because really I wanted to take it every single month. But as time goes on, I notice I'm not enough because I'm go lower, I'm go bona, I'm go slayer, I'm go the chelete, I'm go get to level the time to sell less. And I had no idea for it. How do I make money? But because now I'm here, you know how to make money when you get to varsity, or if you're still in varsity. Hopefully this is gonna help you out. And I have a few ways what I can recommend to you, and it's up to you which one you like. And if you have anything else you would like me to add on my next video, just talk to me and I'll plug you. I'll plug you, man. I'll plug you. Let's get to it. The first one that I have on my list is the obvious one. Have a life. Yeah, have a life. And honestly, this one, they're good here at talking. They're good at talking. And if you're not good at talking, don't do it. Don't do it. But otherwise, it can give you good money if you know how to talk and you already love going to the gym. You know, those little things they can make the journey easier for you. Because I know by now you already understand Herbalife as a nutrition company. So they have those ones by now will keep up with their nutrition goals. You know, big bodies, yeah. Okay, the second one is graphic design. Graphic design for me is very simple, man. I made money very quick, and my initial investment in that business of graphic design was just 200 rands because a mobile software instead of going for those expensive ones, study laptop and stuff like that. A very simple one. Unfortunately, I can't share at the moment since I'm still making money. But yeah, the likes of Canva, you can use those, but you have to pay a subscription fee to use some of the features. But otherwise, you can use most of it for free. And the third one is to sell seasonal products and I think services. Yeah, products and services. And one of those things, when it's summer, sell ice cubes, sell ice pops, sell those things get some money when it's hot. Those things that you know you need when it's hot. And so instead of you going to someone else to buy, how about you provide those things? How about you make money from providing those things to your customers, to your fellow students, to your housemates, if you would relevant. And the fourth one, you know it, man. You know it. Photography. And man, I love this business more than any of my businesses. I love this one because I get to show people what I'm seeing when I'm looking at a certain person, when I'm looking at a certain building, when I'm looking at certain things from a certain perspective, I want people to see that. Once what? I want people to see how I see the world, and photography has been doing that for me. I mean, in the previous weeks, making a graduation photo shoot, and bruh, I'm happy that I got to enjoy that moment with those people. They allowed me to capture their graduation moments and the memories they can keep forever, you know. And the other thing you can provide to make money as a student is, I want to during those times where it's Valentine's and people are going out, people are buying each other snacks, love is in the air, you know those things. If you love money like me, don't use that opportunity to be spending so much money to prove to someone who are no. If they know about it, they should understand and believe it. You don't need to spend so much to show them over and over again, and it doesn't need to be Valentine's only, okay? And what you can do in such days like Valentine's is to sell flowers. You know those things will be in demand. You know those things people are going to be going up and down wanting to sell to buy them for their partners. Teddy bears, chocolates, picnic setups, or one of those things, you can do them. And photography, you can use it on such days. Find couples, these ones, man, they love each other. And use that opportunity to make money. Simple as that. And if you like baking, come on, you can bake here. You can bake here and make money. Bake. And speaking of baking, you can make space cookies. Come on, who doesn't want space cookies? Especially those ones be one of those people where you take advantage of such an opportunity and sell space cookies. Sell weed if you can sell it. Bona, easy money. Another thing, if you're at fashion, come on man, come on, this is an easy one. If you're at fashion, you know those good stuff, unlike some of us, but come on. If you know for sure you're good at fashion stuff and you're good at your style, sell your style. The clothes you wear, make sure you get those clothes and sell to other people so that they copy from you. You can also develop that over an influencer. Simple as that. You can develop over an influencer, and every time you take a picture, got those clothes, you're going to Mr. Price code that fits wherever you buy clothes. When you post on social media, tag those brands, tag them on your posts, and continuously do that until they recognize, oh no, this person is pushing our work. Simple as that. From just being a fashion icon to being an influencer, you can do that. Simple as that. And another thing you can do is, I don't know if I mentioned it, but it's tutoring. No, I didn't mention it. It's tutoring. Tutoring, it's one of the simplest ways, I think, because you don't have to have a lot of things in order to do on the side. Tutoring can fall under exactly what you're studying. You can be teaching people the modules that will be really previously in the past year or two, or just the past semester. Simple as that. If you know you are good at that module, you nail it, you get distinctions. You want to take an advantage of that and charge people maybe a weekly fee or a monthly fee and do those for them. Write assignments for people, write tests for people. And come on, you can't be broke while there's so many opportunities. If you know how to do hair, you know how to cut hair, you know how to do nails, you know how to do makeup. Come on, dude. Come on. You know how to do tattoos. Come on, man. You're sleeping on yourself. If you're good at it, don't do it for free. Don't do it for free. Please, don't. But otherwise, let me keep the video short and simple, and I have a question for you. Where do you want to go to study and why? Once you can answer that question, Please answer it in the comment section. And once you have answered that question, you're gonna know, okay, I'm going to this environment, okay? Let me prepare myself for, since I'm going there for my first year or whatever, you're gonna make money at that given scenario. Or okay, I want to go to varsity for this reason, and I want to go to this specific place for this reason. Once you know those things, varsity is gonna be a bit simple for you because now you're already prepared for that environment, and you can, you know, customize those things like you mentioned previously, and sell those things according to the market, your way you're going. Simple as that. Otherwise, let me love you and leave you. Let's subscribe, let's like the video, let's share the video, let's hit that notification bell for every time you post something, you get it, you see it first. Otherwise, love you and good night.